Well, Terminator hasn't always been this glam. I was a drab little crab once. Now I know I can be happy as a clam, because I'm beautiful, baby. Did your granny say, listen to your heart, be who you are on the inside? I need 3 words to tear her argument apart. Your granny lied. I'd rather be...
You're welcome.
Like a treasure from a sunken pirate wreck. Scrub the deck and make it look... You're welcome. I will sparkle like a wealthy woman's neck. Just a sec, don't you know? Fish are dumb, dumb, dumb. They chase anything that glitters. Beginners. Oh, and here they come, come, come to the brightest thing that glitters. Fish dinners. I just love free food, and you look like seafood.
Hey, crab cake!
Surprise, motherfucker.
I'm back. Mwah.
It's high noon.
What do you say, little buddy? Giant Hawk, coming up!
Well, little Maui's having trouble with his luck. You little semi-dummy mini-god. Ouch, what a terrible performance. Get the hook. Get it? You don't swing it like you used to,
Kobe!
man. Yet I have to give you credit from my start. And your tattoos on the outside. For just like you, I made myself a work of art. I'll never hide, I can't, I'm too welcome. Hey, watch me dazzle like a diamond in the rough. Strut my stuff is so...
You're welcome.
Send your armies, but they'll never be enough. My shell's too tough, my way man. You can try, but you can't expect a demigod to beat it, take apart. Pick it up, you will die. Now it's time for me to take apart. You're aching hard. Far from the ones who abandoned you, chasing the love of these humans who made you feel wanted. You tried to be tough, but your honor's just not
How it feels to chew 5 gum.
hard enough.
Stimulate your senses.
It's time to kick your highness. Ever seen someone so...
You're welcome.
Soak it in, cause it's the last you'll ever see. Say la vie, mon ami. You're welcome. Now I eat you, so prepare your final plea. Just for me. You'll never be quite as... You're welcome. You wish you were nice and... You're welcome.
Hey! I got some
You're welcome.
for ya.